In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn up to $300 worth of BNB every hour. First thing you need to do is go to this website, freebinancecoin.com. You can find a link to it in my video description. You can register an account completely for free. I'm just going to log into my account now. After you've logged in, you'll see the main game to the website. It's basically a dice game, so you just click to roll the dice and you win a certain amount based upon what number you get. So the minimum amount you'll get paid out is 0.0003 and the maximum amount possible is $300. And you can roll one time in the game every hour. So I'm just going to roll now and let's see how much we get. Yeah, I need to finish the capture. And I've won the smallest amount. It's obviously up to you if you want to earn more by doing the surveys. When you do want to withdraw the free Binance coin that you've earned through the website, you need to update your account with your Binance address or Binance coin address. It should only be a BEP20 address. So you should input your address in here, and then you're going to need to confirm an email that's been sent to your email address. Okay, so now I've confirmed that email. I can now withdraw the free Binance coin I've earned through this website. I just click on the left-hand side where it says withdraw, and I enter the amount I want to withdraw. So if I want to withdraw 1, I hit enter 1, and then I click the withdraw button, and that will be it.